Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm excited to share with you we're making one of my favorite simple Filipino dishes, Ginisang Sayote. But we are loading it up with pork, shrimp, and fish balls. This is a super flavorful, budget-friendly dish that's perfect with rice. So let's get started! Okay, let's go ahead and prep up the ingredients. First, the chayote. Peel it, cut it in half, scoop out the seed, and slice into thin, bite-sized strips so it cooks evenly. Next, let's go ahead and chop up onions, tomatoes, and garlic. And for our proteins, we have pork, shrimp peeled and deveined, and we have fish balls sliced in half so they soak up all that sauce. This combo makes the dish so hearty and delicious. Okay guys, let's start the cooking. Let's heat up the pan and pour some oil. Once the pan is hot, let's go ahead and add our pork and we'll cook this until it turns brown. Next, let's put our fishbowl in the pan and we'll cook it until turn brown. Our last protein is the shrimp. Let's go ahead and cook this until it turns pink. At this time, let's sauté our tomatoes, garlic, and onions. Now, we'll go ahead and add our fishball and pork and we'll give it a good stir. Let's sprinkle some salt and pepper. As we continue, we'll go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of Knorr liquid seasoning, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and then we'll add the shrimps, mix them all together, and we'll also add a 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Now we'll go ahead and add the sliced sayote and mix well so it's coated in that flavor. We're also going to add 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of chicken powder, and a packet of Maggi all seasoning, which can be optional. Sprinkle a bit of pepper to taste. Cover the pan and let it simmer for a few minutes, just until the sayote softens but still has that little crunch. That crisp texture is what makes this dish so good. Right here, you can give it a taste and adjust as needed. You can add a bit more soy sauce or even a dash of fish sauce for that extra umami kick. Keep everything simmering until the flavors are perfectly blended. And we are done! Look at that! The chayote looks so crunchy, the pork adds that savory bite, the shrimp are juicy, and those fish balls just soak up everything. Serve it up with a hot bowl of rice and you've got a delicious, satisfying meal that the whole family will love. This Ginisang Sayote with pork, shrimp, and fish balls is so simple but packed with flavor. Definitely a weeknight favorite.
Alright guys, the moment of truth, let's give this a try. So I got myself some rice. Of course, you need to have some rice. So here, let's get some to my plate here. Wow, look at this. It's so yummy, guys. Here we go. Just a little bit. So we got the pork, the fish ball, and the shrimp as our protein. Alright guys, here's the chayote. Very crunchy. I was able to preserve the crunchiness. And here's the fish ball. Really, really good. Of course, you gotta try the shrimp. Oh my goodness. So, hopefully you guys get a chance to try this. It's a very easy dish and your family will enjoy it. You know, it's really healthy and fresh. So enjoy cooking till the next one. Bye!